Hello, this video is about antibiotics, which, as you probably know, are drugs that are used to treat bacterial infections. I've drawn some bacteria here, not life-size, and we'll just think about how they work in the first place. So antibiotics exploit the difference between bacteria and your cells in your body. One of the big ones being that bacteria have cell walls, but human cells don't. So antibiotics are chemicals often produced by funguses and things like that that affect the building or maintenance of a cell wall. So when the antibiotic comes into contact with this bacteria, cell wall breaks down and the bacteria dies. So that fights the disease for you. One of the key points, though, that worth knowing is something else doesn't have cell walls, and that's viruses. That's why antibiotics can't be used to fight viral infections. That has to be left to your immune system. Now, as the antibiotics deployed, as you take the pills, you will destroy most of the bacteria. Your immune system will help with that and mop up what's left. But there's always a risk that some bacteria, through random mutation, this is why one of these is yellow, could be resistant to that antibiotic. So if you don't really wipe out the bulk of the bacterial population early on with a kind of impactful dose of antibiotics, that's why you're normally given a course of antibiotics for 2 weeks to take or a week to take. If you don't wipe them mostly out or all out, there's a chance that these mutated bacteria could appear in your system and come back, which is obviously very dangerous. That's why common medical advice is to always complete your course of antibiotics. That's antibiotics. Thanks for watching.